Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today's question we wish to address is, can intermittent fasting cause weight gain? Intermittent fasting is a weight loss technique that involves alternating between periods of eating and fasting. In recent years, the popularity of intermittent fasting has skyrocketed, with more and more people turning to this method to lose weight. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, intermittent fasting has become a popular approach to weight management, with increasing numbers of people reporting success. Despite its popularity, some people are concerned that intermittent fasting may cause weight gain instead of weight loss. To clear up this misconception, let's take a closer look at the science behind intermittent fasting and weight gain. According to a review article published in the British Journal of Nutrition, intermittent fasting does not appear to cause weight gain in healthy individuals. The authors of the review analyzed the results of several studies and found that when people followed an intermittent fasting regimen for 8 to 24 weeks, there was no significant change in their body weight. However, it is important to note that these studies included only healthy individuals and not those with underlying health conditions that could impact weight. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that intermittent fasting combined with a calorie-controlled diet may lead to weight loss. The study involved participants who followed a 12-week program of intermittent fasting and calorie-controlled eating, and found that they lost an average of 7.7 pounds over the course of the program. In conclusion, the available evidence suggests that intermittent fasting alone is unlikely to cause weight gain in healthy individuals. However, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications that impact your weight, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting an intermittent fasting regimen. Additionally, it's worth noting that weight loss is not guaranteed with intermittent fasting and that combining it with a healthy diet and regular exercise is essential for optimal results. As always, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. A balanced diet and regular exercise remain the most effective ways to maintain a healthy weight. Intermittent fasting can be a useful tool for weight loss, but it is not a magic solution. To summarize, sustainable lifestyle changes, including a healthy diet and regular exercise, are key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again.